Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Just to address something, I am just getting over a really bad cold or seasonal allergies or something of the sort, so I am still a little bit stuffed up, but I'm feeling a lot better, thank goodness. Second thing I want to address, I didn't post anything on Saturday, which is when I usually upload, so I'm filming this to put up probably midweek this week, and then I'll go ahead and upload another one on Saturday just so you get that video. So the reason I didn't upload, I've been really busy. I've been sick. I went to New York kind of unexpectedly last week, so this video is going to be kind of a pack with me, but in reality I'm actually unpacking my suitcase because I haven't had time to tackle it. So I kind of wanted to show you guys like my packing process and what I used for a carry-on and like my outfits, and maybe I'll touch on why I went to New York. So to go ahead and start off, I used this Marc Jacobs tote as my carry-on. I actually got this for Easter, which I know is super extra, but like my mom is kind of the best, so this served as my Easter basket, but it's this gorgeous blue, which I would never choose to like pick out for myself because I'm kind of like a very neutral person, but I really liked this pop. So I'm not going to be super detailed about everything. I'm just going to kind of give you an overview, but what I put in my carry-on, basic, you know, chargers, earphones, lip gloss, sunglasses. But in here I put just my planner. I like to have it on hand to see, you know, like what I have coming up. I have exams today, so I wanted to make sure I was prepared for those while I was gone. Next is my laptop. I just have kind of a basic MacBook Air, and this is my super cute marble case, but I was studying for exams with this. And then kind of the last big thing I'll go over is actually this portfolio that my mom got me, I think for maybe like Valentine's Day. She's clearly the best gifter, and like she gives me things that I don't know I need, but I actually do need. So on the front of it, it just says Documents Cambridge Edition. I have no idea where this is from, but I'm gonna guess maybe Target. I will confirm that. But it's just black and trimmed in rose gold. And then I can't show you like everything, but there's like a notes section, and then I put my resumes on the other side. So let's go ahead and dive into my suitcase. So I was in New York for just a night. It was a super quick trip. Every time I go to New York I get sick, which is why I got this cold of mine. I think it's honestly like the debris and the pollution in the air, you know, compared to where I live, it's kind of ridiculous. But the suitcase that I used is from Anne Klein. It's this super pretty, you know, gold little carry-on suitcase with a strip of snakeskin and then just the Anne Klein like branding on the front. When you open it up, it doesn't have like a zipper side. It's kind of like that elastic, you know, security thing. So I'll start with the smaller items first. This is the bag that I use to put my makeup in. It says life isn't perfect, but my eyeliner is. I just think it's a great, you know, like size, and it's very compact, and I actually get everything in here besides like my palettes. So I've had this thing for kind of a long time. It's from Charming Charlie, but it's this jewelry case, and it has like all kinds of flaps and zippers and stuff, so I can fit kind of a lot in here. It's really handy for travel. And then for toiletries, you'll actually see a lot of these like packing cubes. These in particular are by the brand Zuka, and then the other ones my mom actually got for both of us on Amazon. So I'll try to find those and link them below if I can. But this is the cube that I use for toiletries. It's a pretty good size. I can fit like everything in here. So just a few things. I have like lotion, deodorant, toothpaste, perfume. And then inside is just this smaller cube, which I put all of my skin products and little skin routine in. The next cube I have, it's not super big, but it's perfect to put like underwear, bras, socks, and pajamas in, which is what I used this for. And then I guess we can just kind of dive into outfits. So I just used one large cube. This one I know is definitely from Amazon, but this fits perfectly inside of the suitcase. It's pretty much the exact same size. So I'm gonna go over some outfits just so you can see what I wore while I was there. So for my plain outfit on the way there, I wore this kind of long, sheer, basic V-neck t-shirt. I got this at Urban Outfitters, I know. But I just think it's super easy to like throw on, and it's pretty basic to just kind of like layer jewelry with, which is what I did. And then I just wore these, yikes, Adidas leggings, if you can see that. And then for shoes, I'm absolutely obsessed with these shoes. I got these from Target not too long ago. I just think they're so cute, and even though it's a print, it's a really good neutral just to kind of throw on. So when I got to New York, I wanted to pack an outfit for me to just kind of like walk around in, go to dinner in. So I packed this dress that I got from Target. It's by the Who What Wear brand. Sorry, I'm probably not going to insert like try on footage. I'm honestly just not feeling very up to it, but it's this black like baby doll dress. I don't know if you can see, like, there we go, kind of like the ribbed details in it, but it's very shapeless, kind of looks like a baby doll dress, hence the name of it. And it just has these really puffy sleeves. Oh, I actually took a picture in this. Maybe I'll insert that. So I guess this is where I'm just gonna kind of say why I was in New York. I actually got an interview with a really big company for an internship because I'm close to graduation, which for me it's going to be May 2020, but for my retailing degree I have to have an internship. So honestly, I was kind of in panic mode, but your girl may have secured it. But that's for a different video. I will probably say something about it later, but I don't want to like say the company name at the moment, kind of like for privacy reasons, and I'm very much like, I can't say too much because I don't want to jinx it, but I accepted the offer yesterday. So this is my interview attire, everyone. So I wore this amazing blazer that's from Topshop. It's very fitted, very tailored. I'm literally in love with it. I took a picture in this, so I'll actually insert that photo, and then it's just kind of like gathered and tailored at the back. I don't know. I'm a fashion major. I should probably know what that's called. And then underneath, I just wore this kind of grid blouse. It's really simple, but it kind of was a good pop to wear underneath because I wore all black, which is something you should wear to an interview. You should look pretty conservative, but like, this shows my personality. Like, I'm fun, but I'm also professional. And then I just packed these basic like black dress pants. Pretty crucial if you're going to an interview. Not that I'm opposed to wearing a dress for interviews, but like, I don't know. It's just kind of what I've learned in like my professional classes. And lastly, for shoes, I'm gonna kind of explain this, but I got these like patent leather heels that were easy to walk in. They're by 14th and Union. I've actually never heard of them, but I got these at Nordstrom Rack. So when you're packing and you have like really shiny shoes or expensive shoes and you don't want them to get scuffed or dirty or bent or anything, go to the dollar store and get these cheap shower caps, and they fit perfectly over it so they don't get scratched. And then for my way home, I wore this Z Supply, it's called a weekender shirt, so it's like long sleeved and kind of short in the front and long in the back, but my favorite thing is it has this big, I don't know if you can see it, this big split on the side. So like you can kind of, oh my word, there we go. It has like this big split on the side, so it's kind of airy at the same time and not too hot. And then I just wore these Fabletics purpley leggings, and they have mesh sides, which is pretty cool. And then I just wore these same like cheetah slides for room reasons. And that concludes the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this. I love organization. I'm a little bit OCD, so this stuff for me is really satisfying. So I'm probably going to do a video, like I said, in the near future, kind of talking about the internship that I got and kind of the process and yeah, just the beginning stages of applying for an internship or a job. So thank you so much for watching. This is going to go up midweek, and I will see you in my next video on Saturday. Bye.